All right, everybody. Today, I made an investment. Actually, a couple days ago, I made an investment in myself. It's my regular day job, and I want it to be my side gig too. I needed a camera though. So I did a ton of research, kept thinking, looking, man, this one, this one, this one. I finally settled on the Sony A6600. Grabbed myself a good lens for it. Once I start getting more in depth and everything, I can get better lenses and keep going in that E-mount system. Uh, oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's get this unboxed. All right, well, camera first, because, you know, what's good as a lens without a camera? All right, so paperwork. I mean, that's nice and all, but I mean, whatever. Paperwork stuff. Camera strap. Adjustable eyepiece. Power brick. For charging, power brick. Sony Type Z battery. This is what made me actually go for it. This was the one because, you know, everybody else was saying the A6400 just was crap battery life, and so I decided the Z battery style with the A6600 pushed it over the top. So I'm glad I got this. All right, let's see what else. Charging cable. Don't have a million of those. And the money shot. Ooh. Whoa. No, kidding. It's in paper. It's open. Ooh. That fresh camera look. Nice. Nice, dude. This feels really good. Really, really good. This feels good and girth in my hand. Programmable buttons up top. I've got a button on the back. Nice viewfinder. What else is great about this, although I don't really do much vlogging, although I should start, I guess. But what's cool about this is, bam, so now you actually have the LCD screen up top. Infinitely invaluable when you are vlogging. So that was another really cool feature that I really liked on the A6600 versus the 6400. And cold shoe mount. Doing all that good stuff. All right, so that's the camera. Now, got the, what is this thing again? EPZ 18 through 105 millimeter f4. So not the fastest lens, but you know, it's I work with an f4 at work, so I think I can get it done. We'll see. We'll see what I'm able to create with this. Who knows? Who knows? If not, I mean, you can always sell used glass. I do need to find a good E-mount to Nikon lens. Erica uses all Nikon, and so I really need a good adapter so that I can take advantage of some of her glass, because that'd be helpful. She has a lot of lenses. All right, so stuff. Oh, it feels hefty. It feels nice and hefty. Good quality. You can feel it. That G is money. It's still cold. I don't know if you can see the condensation of my warm hand on it. All right, let's pop that. Pop that. And let's see here. So there it is, boys and girls. That's my new camera setup. I am I'm really excited. This is gonna be cool. Let's go shoot some stuff. Let's go make some videos. All right, peace.